Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the process of downloading and installing GTA 5 on your PC or laptop step by step. So let's get started. First, open up any browser on your PC or laptop. In the search bar, type in Steam Download and hit search. From the search results, look for this official Steam website. It should say Welcome to Steam and click on it. Once you're on the Steam homepage, on the top right corner, click on the green Install Steam button. On the next page, you'll see another download button. Click it, and the Steam setup file will start downloading automatically. After the download finishes, open the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam. Once it's installed, launch Steam. At this point, you'll need to log into your Steam account. If you already have one, simply sign in. If not, click on Create a New Account, fill in your details, and then sign in. Now that you're inside Steam, go to the search bar in the top right corner and type in GTA 5. From the results, click on the game's title to open its official page. Steam may ask you to confirm your age. Just select your birth date and click View Page. Once you're on the GTA 5 game page, scroll down a little and click on Add a Card. Next, click on View My Card to proceed. Here, click on Continue to Payment. Select your preferred payment method. Steam supports options like credit or debit cards, PayPal, and more. Fill out your billing details carefully, agree to the terms, and then click Purchase. After the payment is complete, go back to the top menu and click on your library. Under the Home section, you'll now see GTA 5 listed there. Click on it and hit the Install button. Steam will begin downloading and installing the game onto your PC. And that's it. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to launch and enjoy GTA 5 directly from your Steam library. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more guides. Also, if you run into any issues or have questions, just drop a comment below. I'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.